Welcome to the Hillsboro Honda Service Department. That's right, not only do we sell cars here, but we also service them as well. Right behind me is going to be the service drive. This is going to be where you pull up in your vehicle. You'll eventually step out, hand your keys off to one of our service representatives, and then you can actually step into our waiting room here just behind me through those glass doors where we have comfortable seating, snacks available, free Wi-Fi, kind of whatever you need to make that waiting experience as easy and as comfortable as possible. Now, here at the service department, we offer a wide variety of services available, from full-scale repairs to just a simple multi-point inspection. That multi-point inspection will include just a ton of different things, such as checking your oil and fluid levels, checking the levels of your battery, the tire pressure in your tires, whatever the case may be, whatever you need, we'd love to take care of that for you. Now, if you have any questions regarding the service of your vehicle, including scheduling an appointment, going over pricing, talking about the different service options that we have, please feel free to reach out to us here at Hillsboro Honda.